Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about markers, specifically dry erase markers. And some of you going like, why do I need to have dry erase markers? I need permanent markers to mark my food storage shelf. Well, who says I'm talking about marking your food storage? There are other reasons to have markers. What could those be? Wait a minute, let's look over here at my fridge. I got a little whiteboard on there, and we got projects written down there, things you want to get done. And once we completed them, we erased that one off the board, and we put another project on there. There are plenty of ways and reasons to use dry erase markers. So add them to your preps, because when you need them and you don't have them, you're going to feel a little sheepish. All right, so I want to thank everyone who came into the live stream last night for the Survival Saturday and the giveaways. And you want to know who won the giveaways? You got to go watch the video. All right, also try to think of ways you can share the prepping mentality with friends, neighbors, relatives, loved ones, coworkers, and those people you care about that you want to get prepped. So, you don't want to come off heavy-handed, but you want to, do it in a way that encourages them. All right? And before I take off, I'm going to throw some links up here. Camp Patton Family Compound, my other channel over here. The Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private playlists there. All right? So take care, stay safe, get prepared, don't end up like this.